Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be busting a few period myths, and I'm sure most of us must have heard these period myths at least once in our life. So let's go ahead. I'm just going to mention about a few that I have heard. So let me know in the comment section if you all relate to any of these myths and if you all have heard any of these at all. So let's begin with our very first myth. I'm sure a lot of us have heard this in Indian households specifically, that if you touch a bottle of pickle or if you touch the pickle inside it, it's gonna get spoiled. So I mean that's completely pointless to me, and it was very funny when I heard it the first time as well. I know a lot of people might believe that, but honestly, being someone who likes eating pickle, I obviously would touch it and take pickle in my plate while I'm also having like dinner or whatever, and it does not get spoiled. So that is a completely baseless myth, and I really don't think that happens at all. So the second myth is that we cannot get into the pool when we are in our periods. Basically, you can't swim when you are chumming. So honestly, for people that love swimming, y'all can get into the pools. Just make sure that you're not wearing a pad, because the pad has soaked up all the blood. So if you get into the pool with that, it might basically, get the blood out or whatever. So our blood flow definitely does not stop in the water, but it does get slower and lesser. What you all could do is maybe wear a tampon or maybe wear a menstrual cup, and I think that will be much better. So for all of y'all that want to go swimming, just go ahead. Only make sure that y'all don't use a pad. Now let's get to our third myth, which is if you go near plants during your periods, they will die. I mean, honestly, there's no scientific reasoning or anything behind that. If you touch a plant, how will it die? Basically, your plants just need water, so you just need to water it to make it stay alive. And another fact is, if you live alone and if you need to water your plants and you're on your period, if you don't go near your plants, they are going to die either way. So, I mean, it really does not make sense. So, don't forget to water your plants. The next thing is something we all might have heard, that if you eat papaya, you will get your periods faster. So, first of all, if you eat the papaya that is not raw, it does not help. Secondly, only raw papaya helps with getting periods, but it does not get you your periods very fast. It will just help to make the process a little faster. By that, I mean you cannot just eat papaya today and you will get your periods tomorrow. That's not how it works. So basically, you need to eat raw papaya maybe for like 3-4 days and like for a continuous span of time. And then it might just help your period come a day prior or something like that. But it definitely does not make you get your period on the same day. So please don't believe in that myth. And specifically, this does not work if you don't have raw papaya. The next one is more of a concern and less of a myth. So, a lot of people believe that if they get their periods, then it gets very smelly. So, let me tell you all that is completely normal. So, there are a lot of brands that sell these intimate washes, and I feel you all can use that maybe just once a week. Okay, don't go ahead like using it all the time, and you all need to regularly eat pineapples and basically fruits that contain vitamin C, and that will really help you all with the odor down there at all times. So it's not just that you get smelly during your periods and it's going to be a really bad thing. You need not be ashamed about it because it's completely normal. It's a part of us. It's basically all the blood that's coming out of you, and that's completely normal. So you need not feel bad that okay, it's probably getting smelly, the odor is really bad. I completely understand it does not feel good, but you can take care of yourself down there by doing certain things. Like I said, using intimate wash. I will link some in the description box below so you all can have a look and check that out. The last one is not exercising during your periods, because that will make your flow worse. And honestly, let me tell you all, that is something which is completely not true. It's false. Because if you all exercise, your body needs that exercise. And during the period, if you exercise specifically, it will help you with all the cramps and all the pain that you get. So if you exercise during your periods, the flow is not going to get worse at all. because I mean, it just depends on our body, right? To each their own. We all have a different body type, and basically, our periods will vary, right? We will not have the same type of periods. So, exercising during your periods is only going to help you all with the pain, the cramps, and everything that your body goes through during the whole period cycle. So, definitely, it is not something that you all should stop. You all should definitely continue with it, because I believe it's really helpful for your body, and it will help you go through your entire period cycle more smooth. Do comment below and let me know if there are other myths that you all have heard and you all want to bust those. So, let's go ahead. Let me know in the comment section. I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.